Jain, for whom we have assembled here, Shri Yogesh Chandra Verma, President of the Advocates Association, J. Kumar Thakur, President of the Association, Shri Rajnandan Prasad, Vice President of the Bar Association, Shri P.K. Verma, learned additional advocate, Dr. K.N. Singh, learned Madam Jain, Manisha Jain, Mr. Vishud Jain, the family members of Honorable Mr. Justice Jain, senior advocates and members of the bar, Mr. General Officers. Very good afternoon to all of you. We have all assembled here to bid farewell to Honorable Mr. Justice Jain on his superannuation and justice career. Can I request everyone to mute, please? Received 18th of February 1960. Visit and great day, not only for but also for the school, St. Xavier's, from where he is schooling, then St. Michael's, Patna University, from where he graduated in 1986, and immediately enrolled as member of the Bihar State Bar. After his enrollment, most of us here now, he has been able to contribute immensely in capacities to this great institution. Justice Jain was appointed as a government leader in the year 1998, and his contribution, especially in the field of taxation, led to the was acknowledged, and he was designated senior advocate sometime in February 2010, and immediately taken on the bench. 20th of June to since 20th of June 11, he has been discharging his duties and responsibilities judging this court. I happened to interact and know. First, I met him at Agartala. Then the voice is echoing somewhere, I don't know whom. I request everyone to please mute. Then when I came to Patna on 19, then my interaction with him deepened. So did our bondage. Personally, I found him to be absolutely forthright and indeed an honest person. Very pleasant face. I must say that we are going to lose a very pleasant face on the bench today. Very amenable person, but yet very firm. And I've also always found him, ladies and gentlemen, that he is extremely knowledgeable, very well traveled, and you just throw an idea and he will supplement it to make it multi-dimensional. And he has been extremely supportive and cooperative to me. To begin with, I must thank the Honorable Judge. His great support and cooperation she lent these 2 years. His outstanding contribution to the institution, hardworking judge, the judicial side, and on the administrative side, is now very well known to each one of us. But then, this is the day when we must acknowledge it, and with greater and deep administration. On the administrative side, the Honorable Judge has been member of several committees in the Patna High Court, including on several occasions the Standing Committee. And so to say, he has been the champion of the cause of digitalization and computerization of the judiciary of Bihar and Patna High Court in particular. He's very, very tech savvy, and he has always worked tirelessly for the technological upgradation and advancement of the High Court. As chairman and member of the E-Committee of the Patna High Court, he has helped shape the e-vision of this court. It is only under his able guidance and with the contribution of our other colleagues that there was a successful migration of the CS from older version to the newer version. Thanks to him, during the pandemic, we were able to, even though we were light years behind Delhi and Bombay, we were able to immediately adapt to the systems and adopt the systems which he had put in place. The Patna High Court website was made using also online questionnaire module for judicial officers was developed. He has also developed the website of the Bihar Judicial Academy. And those who are not familiar, I may just say that from where he could get time, I really don't know. But he has developed several softwares for enhancing the efficiency, as also placing the systems, mechanism and systems by developing softwares. And to name some is the direct information report and communication tracker, the officers and staff management and information system, and the comprehensive e-courts monitoring and reporting system. He has been of the Bihar Judicial Academy and took keen interest there in ensuring that during the time of pandemic, the probationers who were under training, as also the other judicial officers, did not have to lose even a single minute. And programs were evolved and all were engaged and educated. It is only during his chairmanship that he took forward the academy leaps and bounds and got released a compilation book which is termed as Criminal Miscellany. I must share this with you. At least the book was circulated, of course. The present JAG2, Honorable Mr. Ashwini Kumar, it was his brainchild. It was circulated to all the Honorable Judges of the and if I am not mistaken, 17 Honorable Judges went through it and gave their opinion which is also recorded the time when Honorable Justice Jain took over and this compilation was released. The practice and procedure was another initiative launched by Honorable Justice Jain and providing a grievance redressal mechanism also for the judicial officers. I must also share this with those who are not aware that Nobel laureate Shri Kailash Satyarthi interacted with the judicial officers of the state of Bihar. The issue was very important. It was a sensitive and significant topic related to child development and how to handle their matters. And all thanks to Brother Jain for this, apart from my other colleagues. On the judicial side, the Honorable Judge has dealt with several sensitive questions of law. One important case, which I must, two important facts in fact, I must state. One is that while sitting with Honorable Justice Reddy, the then Chief Justice, Honorable Justice Jain ensured that the comfort and convenience of the pilgrims who visit both Gaya, both from India and abroad during the Pitru Paksh Mela, are not subjected to the service tax which was imposed by the administration. And also he directed that the Bihar State Board of Religious Trust should manage the event. This is one fact. The second is that today it was a great honor to sit with Brother Jain. And I must acknowledge this, that whatever files were there, he had read all the files. He knew every matter. And it was a pleasant day for me to be sitting with him on the judicial side. So this was his acknowledgement. This was his dedication to the cause of the justice system.
Yes.
The duty of the courts, as I have always saying, is to do justice while exhibiting fairness, respect and dignity to the people come before us. And every day, Honorable Justice Jain has been able to ensure this. He has rendered all possible assistance that the institution and the litigants expect from a judge in the discharge of his constitutional obligations. His demeanor in court, his style of functioning is worth emulating. And the persona which he has, I only wish that we spend more time with him so that one can emulate. Honorable Justice Jain shall be remembered for his positive all the courts, related activities, and the discipline which he maintained both on and off the bench. He has always exhibited paramount standard of ethical conduct, which he always stood out for. He's endeared by all. So also he has endeared his peers and left a lasting impression in mind. And as he prepares to depart from this court, certainly we will miss you as a colleague of this institution. But you are always there The Judge, you are there, always there in our heart. In 2011. And now he has enough time to spend with her. I wish Honorable Justice Jain, on my behalf, as also on behalf of my brother colleagues, very happy life. And should there be any need at any point of time, all of us will be there with you. Look forward for great inning after having debuted this office. Wish you all the best. Thank you. May I now request Shri Yogesh Chandra Verma, President, Advocates Association.
Honorable the Chief Justice of Patna High Court, his other companion judges, Shri Ajay Thakur, President, Lawyers Association, Shri Rajnandan Prasad, Vice President, Bar Association, Senior Advocates, other advocates, Shri P.K. Verma, Additional Advocate General, Dr. K.N. Singh, Learned Additional Solicitor General, members of the registry, and family members of Honorable Mr. Justice Vikas Jain, who have joined this meeting through video conferencing. My lords, we have assembled here to bid farewell to Honorable Mr. Justice Vikas Jain. Now, I would like to share the praises and other details given by the Honorable Chief Justice about the administrative and other qualities of Honorable Mr. Justice Vikas Jain. But we would like to add some few words of mine also. Honorable Mr. Justice Vikas Jain was born on 18th of February 1960. Having schooled at St. Xavier High School, a premier institution of Bihar, and St. Michael's High School, Patna, he did his graduation from Patna University. He obtained his LLB degree from Patna Law College in the year 1986. And the same year, he was enrolled with the Bar Council in the month of September and started his practice at Patna. His field of specialization was taxation, law. He had also handled contract, company, service, and arbitration matters. His clients have included some of the leading institutions of the nation, NTPC like NTPC, Rail, SBI, ICICI Bank, Hindustan Steel Works, Construction Limited, Bihar State Tax Board, and numerous. He has represented numerous boards and institutions. He was even engaged classes at Patna Law College as a part-time lecturer. He was also a visiting professor at Chanakya National Law University, Patna. In June 1998, he was appointed as a government pleader 6 in Patna High Court and served as such till March 2000. In February 2010, he was designated as a senior advocate of Patna High Court. He was appointed additional judge of this High Court on 20th of June 2011 and as a permanent judge on 15th of May 2014. He has remained honorable judge of this High Court for about 11 years. He is an extremely fine gentleman. He has a pleasant look and with a smile on his face. He possesses all good qualities of a judge. He has delivered large number of judgments. Some of his judgments are path-setting and have authoritatively decided some of the complex questions of law. He is retiring today, but I believe that he will remain in our heart. His contributions to these institutions are immense. I, on my behalf and on behalf of the Advocate Association, bid farewell to him and wish him a very long, healthy, prosperous second in life.
May I request Shri Ajay Kumar Thakur, please?
Honorable the Chief Judge, the other honorable judges of this honorable court, Sri Yogesh Chandra Verma, President Advocates Association, Mr. Rajnandan Prasad, Vice President Bar Association, Sri P.K. Verma, London Additional Advocate General, Dr. K.N. Singh, London Additional Solicitor General, senior members of the Bar, as well as the Honorable Courts Registry, and the family members of Justice Vikas Jain, who have joined on the eve today. Lord, I would like to start today by saying that, like cycle of life, judicial life also has a certainty. The Honorable Mr. Justice Vikas Jain has been a true example of humility and nobleness throughout his life. Honorable Mr. Justice Vikas Jain was enrolled as an advocate on September 5th, 1986, and has practiced ever since, especially mastering the matter related to taxation. He was appointed as an additional judge of Patna High Court on 28th of June 2011 and as a permanent judge on 15th May 2014. In course of his judicial career, Honorable Justice Vikas Jain has delivered several recent judgments and decisions both in civil and criminal arenas. His patience, fairness, and sound knowledge has reiterated the belief of many of our legal systems. Every lawyer who had the opportunity to appear before a lordship would bear testimony to this affable and polite nature. His patience and brilliance, his ability to hear the matter at length, and his delivery of well-reasoned orders and judgments. The list of fine judgments authored by Honorable Mr. Vikas Jain speaks for itself about the dedication with which he has carried out his judicial duties, and it would be very difficult to enumerate some here, given in innumerable choices. In the end, I, on my behalf, as well as on behalf of the Law Association, would wish you kind sir a successful and fulfilling onward journey. I also hope that you now find the time and friends and to pursue other passions which you have not had enough time for all these years, during which you have strived long and hard to achieve the goal your job demanded. Today, as we bid you a farewell from this honorable court, please accept our best wishes on my behalf as well as on behalf of my association. Thank you.
May I request Shri Rajnandan Prasad, please?
My Lord, Honorable Chief Justice and other companion judges, Sri Yogesh Chandra Verma, President of the Advocate Association, Sri Ajay Kumar Thakur, President of Lawyer Association, Sri P.K. Verma, Senior Advocate, Additional Advocate General, Dr. K.N. Singh, Learned Additional Solicitor General, learned senior members, other members of the Bar and Registry, and family members of Honorable Justice Vikas Jain. We are assembled here to bid farewell to Honorable Mr. Justice Vikas Jain upon his retirement from an illustrious career. Justice Jain joined the legal profession in line with the family tradition and had a good long innings as a lawyer in the Patna High Court before being elevated to the bench. He has always been acknowledged as a pleasant and upright person. He believed that value of relation is not that how much one feels happy with someone, but it is the emptiness one feels without someone. I accept and affirm the words of praise expressed by the Honorable Chief Justice and other members of the Bar. We look forward to continuing to benefit from his exceptional contribution to law. I, on behalf of Bar Association, convey our best wishes and good health to Justice.
I now request Shri P.K. Verma, Learned Additional Advocate General.
My Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice and other honorable judges of this High Court, Sri Yogesh Chandra Verma, President of the Advocates Association, Sri Ajay Thakur, President of the Lawyers Association, Sri Rajnandan Prasad, Vice President of the Bar Association, Learned Additional Solicitor General of India, Sri K.N. Singh, members of the registry, my esteemed colleagues attending the reference, and family members of the Honorable Justice Vikas Jain. My lords, we have assembled today to bid farewell to Honorable Justice Vikas Jain, who is superannuated today on 17th February. Born in an illustrious family of legal luminaries, Honorable Justice Vikas Jain did his schooling from St. Xavier's High School and then from St. Michael's High School at Patna. And after graduating and completing his LLB from Patna Law College in the year 1986, he got enrolled with the Bar Council on 5th September 1986. He started his practice in Patna High Court and soon specialized in taxation matters. He was appointed as government pleader in the year 1998 and was designated as senior advocate in February 2010. He was elevated as the additional judge of the Patna High Court on 20th June 2011 and permanent judge on 15th May 2014. Honorable Justice Vikas Jain made his mark as a judge by delivering several landmark judgments of high precedential value, including verdicts in complex issues of constitution and taxation law. In one of the judgments reported in 2019, 1 PLJR 2011, Honorable Justice Jain held that the execution case under Section 31A of the Recovery of Debts Due to Banks Act 1993 shall not abate even if the principal debtor is dead, and it can proceed against the guarantor.